Hi, this is Caesar with smartblogging.net, and on this video I want to show you how to register your domain name. So go to smartblogging.net right now. When you get there, go ahead and click on Blogging Tools on the menu bar here at the very top. Click on that. Now this brings you to the page where I have all my blogging tools that I utilize to run my internet business. So go ahead and scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll see a banner right here that says GoDaddy. Go ahead and click on that, and that takes you directly to the GoDaddy website. Now GoDaddy offers many things. It offers domain name registration, hosting, email, websites, and even shopping carts. But for this example, for this tutorial, I don't want to get into any of those things. We just want to use GoDaddy to register our domain name. Our hosting is going to be set up with HostGator, which I will show you how to do on the next video. Our email is just going to set up to HostGator also. So in reality, GoDaddy is only going to be our domain name registrar. That's all we want to utilize them for. So at this point, you should have already done your research and figured out what you want your domain name to be for your website. So whatever that name is, go ahead and type that in there right here in the search field. For this example, I'm just going to make up any name. So I'm just going to go with Andrew Thompson, just to make up something. And I'm going to click the magnifying glass here on the right, and that's going to search the database. And okay, so andrewthompson.com is already taken. Now at this point, I would come down here and see if there's anything else available, like a .net or a .org. Doesn't look like any of the more popular .coms or domain names are available. Only a .ca and a .mobi and a .me, which I really try to stay away from. So at this point, what I would do is add like a middle initial. So Andrew P. Thompson. Let's try that. There we go. AndrewPJohnson.com is available. So at this point, what you want to do is click on Continue to Registration. And GoDaddy is really good about upselling you on their hosting and their email services. So we want to make sure we don't select any of that. Okay, so go ahead and click No Thanks. Okay, the next screen is our registration form. Okay, we can either create a new account, or if you already have one, go ahead and log on. So since I already have an account with GoDaddy, I'm gonna log in. But if you are doing this for the first time, go ahead and enter your first name, last name, email, company name, and the address that you want to associate with your domain name registration. Go ahead and fill that in. So I'm just going to log in here, click next, and what I want to do here is choose registration length. Okay, so you can choose 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, whatever it is that you want to register. Some people like doing it longer so they don't have to worry about it for 3 or 5, 10 years. Okay, but it does cost, you do save some money when you register for longer periods of time. So it is something you should consider. For this example, I'm just going to go with a 1 year. And don't worry about secure online storage or certified domain name. Okay, just leave it like that. And click next. And here GoDaddy again is trying to upsell you on privacy and all types of other things. So go ahead and click next. Again, more upsells for web hosting and email. Click next. Remember, we're going to set all that up with HostGator, and I'm going to show you that on the next video. So here we are in the shopping cart for GoDaddy. Here we just confirm that all the information is accurate. Now, the only thing here you may want to consider is maybe doing some privacy. What that does is keeps your private information secured. So for example, the information that you initially filled out on that form, on that registration form at the beginning, when you hit private, it'll basically keep that information private, right? So people, when they search the Whois database, your information is not going to come up. GoDaddy's information will show up, and it'll say, registered to, and it'll have GoDaddy's name on there, and your information will be completely hidden from the public. It's $6.99, and I would rather just keep that in my pocket. Some people like to keep it private, so depending on your situation, it's a personal choice. but I've been registering domain names for the past 15 years. I've never heard of anyone having any issues with it, so I would just go public. So go ahead and make a decision now and either click one or the other. Don't select any of this because unless you want to register the .net, the .org for your name, which is not a bad idea. I do it for mine, so there you go. You can choose to register .net and a .org because why? Because if there's another person that has the same name as you and they register it, then you run the risk of people typing a .net or maybe a .org and driving traffic to their website instead of yours. So that's the downfall to not registering a domain name with your name. So I would, especially if it's your name, I would probably register both the .net and .org because those are the two most popular domain names. And once you're done with that, once you've made a decision on that, you can go ahead and click on continue to check out. And this is your payment method page. You can choose to pay with a credit card, a gift card, a check, or PayPal, and just enter all your information there. Once you've done that, go ahead and click I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and hit the place order button. And that's it. Once you go through this process, you've already registered your domain name. You need a domain name to be able to sign up for hosting. That's why I have you register your domain name first so that we can set that hosting account with this new domain name. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and watch the next one so that I can teach you exactly how to set up your hosting account or how to purchase your hosting account. And then I'm going to show you how to merge GoDaddy with your hosting account. Really easy. You'll be done in less than 5 minutes. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.